Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Wonderland Pond. My name is Jen, and let's go ahead and get started. We are reviewing our Amazon assorted craft storage bins. I will try to include a link in the description box below after the video is uploaded. These were about $5 a piece, came in an assorted pack of colors for about $25 total for all five. Amazon Prime. A couple days later, I was able to take them out of the box. I had to put them together, which didn't go as it should have. I had to alter because it's cheap plastic. I would not buy these in the future. They do work, but I ended up going with the $4.97 option for craft storage bins from Walmart, and I just added them to my Walmart grocery order, like one or two of them each week until I had what I needed. At the end of the day, I try to keep my costs as low as possible, and I Tetris things, meaning that I try to do whatever I can do, either deconstructing something or constructing something, and do it for the best quality. Just starting out, trying to keep costs low. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have in this guy. All right, we have some thank you stickers in this. As you can see here, I'm unboxing my thank you stickers that I put on all of my orders. Little paw print, big animal fan, mostly dogs because I'm very allergic to cats, especially the older that I get. My allergy gets worse for that. So we are still continuing on. I purchased 2 packages of these right off the bat, and so 10 total. And I want to say that it took me a good half hour, 45 minutes to put these stinking things together. And then I had to alter them because they didn't go together properly. And yeah, it was just get them already put together, better quality, thicker materials. This is what I keep all of my screen print transfers in storage-wise. That way they are kept out of any of the elements. So with that, that's going to be it for this episode. It's pretty straightforward since I have to get all of the last 6 months either voiced over or finish getting everything uploaded to the YouTube channel. The website is up. It is live on wonderlandpond.com. That's WONDERLANDPOND.com. I am a big Alice in Wonderland fan, especially the Mad Hatter, so that's something else that you will learn about me in the future, and that is where the name originated from. I'll go ahead and end it here, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. Again, if you have not yet, please like and subscribe. That way it helps the YouTube algorithms, and we will catch you in the next episode.